to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Extended schools timings to remain same. Holiday on Saturday for schools following extended timings through the week, announces CM. Doctor of Hospicio Vaishali Kamri commits suicide with her 2 daughters. Reason behind the suicide still not known. Finally, government appoints Chief and State Information Commissioners, Leena Mehendere to be the CIC, Stanley Coutinho and Sandesh Prabhudesai SIC. North Goa MP Shripad Naik without Aadhaar card in spite of getting enrolled twice. Shripad demands hassle-free enrollment system for people. And Manohar Parrikar says Goa Football Development Council should work towards creating a football industry. GFDC celebrates first anniversary. Now news in detail. There will be no change in the new school timings, but Education Department will decide on a case-to-case basis in case of schools facing inconvenience. Education Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that schools may introduce full-day curriculum from this year itself. Schools completing 6.5 working hours will get Saturday, Sunday as off days. 100 new Balrats will be rolled out.
सरकाराचो निर्णय आसा तसोच आसा. There is no change. I consulted them. But following modifications will be permitted. Point number 1, those schools which want full day will be permitted to have full day school with 5.5 hours of instructional hour time and 200 days of जे बाकीचे आसा ते 200 and 237 days. Those who want full day and do it 6.5 hours can work from Monday to Friday with Saturday and Sunday off, provided they do 1,100 hours of instructional. Third, those who have difficulties, if they ask Education Department request for exemption or relaxation during the current year, case-to-case basis they will be permitted, and this permission will be given within 7 days of receipt of such letter. बालरथ घेवपाचो प्रोसेस चालू आहा. तो प्रोसेस पूर्ण जालो की आनीक कितें एडिशनलिटी आहा पळय दॅट वी वील गिव थ्रू कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस. बालरथ फ्रॉम कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट विकतूच कित्याक घेवंक जाय? तुका बस आसली की जाली. इन फूड पॅटर्न जाय जाल्यार काही आयटम चेंज करपाक करप. उदाहरण शिरो हो खूब जाणांक नाका, भुरगे खायना, त्या जाग्यार मुगाची उसळ दिवं येता. अशे आयटम आमी चेंज ऑल्टरनेटीव आयटम. भात खावपाक खूब जाण फाटी आसा, पाव भाजी सगळे खातात. सो वी कॅन इन्क्रीज द नंबर ऑफ पाव भाजीज ऑर अदर आयटम चॉयस दिवन वी वील बी सेंडिंग इट टू द स्कूल्स. त्यामुळे शाळांक हातून फ्रिडम मेळटली. वी वील लेट देम नो विच आर द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप ऑन अवर रेकॉर्ड, including the new one who has FDA permission. They can go ahead, but this will not, again, this is after circular they select and tell us. They can go ahead and select a self-help group for their own use if they want. But if they are not ready to take the responsibility of the quality and serving, then government does not mind stopping it. If someone does not want it, let them tell us that we do not want this facility. We will stop it until government works out a mechanism to provide 100% guaranteed sterilized condition supply food. ताजे आमचे प्रोसेस चालू आहा. एक आमी अक्षय पात्र म्हणजे संघटना आसा, इस्कॉनची मूळची ती संघटना, तांच्या बरोबर संपर्कान आसा.
A lady doctor working with a Hospicio at Madgaon committed suicide on Monday morning along with her 2 minor daughters by jumping in Mandavi River. Body of the deceased Vaishali Uttam Kamri and her 2.5-year-old daughter Kanishka was fished out on Monday afternoon. However, her 5-year-old daughter is still missing. The reason behind the suicide is not yet known.
आज आमकां सकाळीं 6:20 पोलीस कंट्रोल रूमसून कॉल येयले की एक प्लेजर स्कूटर मांडोय ब्रिजार परवरी सायडीन अबंडन आहा आनी तेजे सायडीन चप्पल आहा. ते इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळना फुडें इमिजिएटली आमचो स्टाफ रस जालो. थंय त्याच टायमार डॉक्टर उत्तम कांबळी पावल्लो आनी तेजे कडेन डिस्कशन केलें तेन्ना आमकां अशें कळ्ळें की तेजीच मिसेस सकाळीं आज 5 ते 6 दरम्यान घरा कडल्यान आपल्या भुरग्याक घेवन मिसींग जालें म्हणून. इन बिटवीन ते डॉक्टराचो डिटेल स्टेटमेंट घेतलो. तेणें सांगलें की तशें हेजे पयलीं केन्नाच तशी हें करूं ना आनी आमचें तशें रिलेशन बरें आशिल्लें आनी एक्झॅक्ट कित्याक लागून आपुणूय हितूंत आहा म्हणून. ते टायम 12:45 सुमार मरीन पुलिसाची कॉल येयलो की एक लेडी बॉडी मेळ्ळा म्हणून. डॉक्टर वैशाली उत्तम कांबळेची पयली बॉडी मेळ्ळी आमकां. सेकंड बॉडी आमकां 13:20 hours मेळ्ळी. कनिष्का उत्तम कांबळे 2.5 years. टोटल 2 एट प्रेझेंट मेळ्ळे आमकां. एक बॉडी मेळूना ती मनस्वी उत्तम कांबळे 5 वर्सांची चली बॉडी अजून मेळूना. सुसायड बी तसो नोट अजून कांय मेळूना.
Finally, government to appoint Chief Information Commissioner and State Information Commissioner. Leena Mahindra will be the new Chief Information Commissioner, while Stanley Coutinho and Sandesh Prabhudesai will be appointed as State Information Commissioners. RTI activists were demanding these appointments for last 1 year. Activists had also staged hunger strike to press this demand. Information Commission's office will be shifted to the old Central Library.
Appointment requires some procedure to be followed. Committeeच्या निर्णयाप्रमाणे श्रीमती लीना मेहेंदळे, member, administrative CAT, Bombay bench. She is retired IAS officer, served as an additional chief secretary of Government of Maharashtra. She has been selected as a Chief Information Commissioner. State Information Commissioner म्हणून Stanley Coutinho. He has been Indian Ordnance Factory बी काम केलां. आणि दुसरो संदेश प्रभुदेसाय, वास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स इन मिडिया. म्हणजे ते बॅकलॉग बेगीन क्लियर जावंक जाय म्हणून हे केल्लें आसा. तांकां योग्य जागो तांचे अपॉइंटमेंट ह्यो गजाली फुडल्या 15 दिसांनी मेळटल्यो. 5 years or 65.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.